Today, Angel, here's something
Tell
new.
Tell me.
And it's our only order of the year. And,
Oops.
we're throwing
Excuse
things
me.
around.
My button
And there's
cover
only
came
5
off
easy
because
payments.
I'm goofing off.
The 5 easy payments on this go away at the end of the day, just like Angel's button just did. Now, you're saving $14 on this. $74.98 is that price. It should be $89. This is that great flower power in a denim jacket. It is that easy snap front. It's got stretch to it, but it is a denim jacket.
Yes.
You have the options of the dark indigo or our shadow pink.
Ooh, isn't that pretty?
Extra small through 5X are the sizes. 75 cotton, 23 poly, 2 span. Length on this is 23.5 inches to 29.5 inches.
So this is denim. This
Yes.
is not your dream jean material, just so you know. So one thing I just wanted to point out is our big deal pant comes in shadow pink, and this jacket comes in shadow pink. But this is a woven and this is a knit, so it just takes the color a little differently, but it still looks really nice together, especially if you popped on a little white t-shirt or tank under this. That would be a really sensational outfit, especially, you know, with the spring holidays and all the spring events that we have coming up.
I just had to.
I love it.
I
You
had to
have
dance
to.
back on. I was
love it.
hydrating.
Please do. It's important to hydrate.
Listen, it's, and you know, I was just, you know, hydrating as we should hydrate and water our flowers.
Yes.
But these are flowers that you don't have to water
Exactly.
because they are wearable and
My
they are
favorite.
gorgeous.
And no fertilization needed.
No fertilization. I have to say, I love what you did with the design of this denim jacket.
The seaming detail?
Yes.
Yes, please. I don't know, I think you can see it better on the,
Maybe the,
I think you can see it better on the denim, frankly.
Let's check, okay.
So you have the pointed collar, you have the snap front, you have these beautiful princess seams here coming down the front. You have these really fun, this almost is reminiscent to me of a barn jacket.
Yes.
The way it's shaped, but it is a little bit shorter. And then you have the snaps at the cuff there. I mean, it's a beautifully designed jacket. There's so many features on it. And then on the back, Jim, I'm gonna steal that from you, baby. The back yoke, okay? And then that hem here, really beautifully done.
It's super flattering, and this is a great way to mix up the denim you have in your wardrobe.
Yes.
It has that stretch and recovery in it, so it's never going to feel constricting. This is something that passes the matinee test.
Yes.
Where you can wear this to like the theater and sit in those tight seats, and it's going to have that great stretch in the arms. It's going to look elevated. I love a popped collar on a jacket.
Me too. Oh, actually, now that you say that, here comes another jean story.
Okay.
So before I started working with Quacker behind the scenes, I modeled for Quacker on air. I started here back in 1991, 92 as a model. And whenever I would come out onto set with something with a collar, Jean would say, "Angel, pop your collar. Give me some quackitude." So quackitude, you know. So whenever we have something with a collar, that her voice goes in my head.
I love
Pop your collar,
quackitude.
Angel, quackitude. But
And this gives you a little bit of that quackitude in the back because there's even details into the collar.
yes,
Now, this is the craftsmanship on this.
it's unbelievable.
Looks like you would pick this up at a boutique at a triple-digit price tag.
Agreed.
But the comfort, the detail, everything all in one, this is unbelievable. Do not miss out on this sale price because it is new today. It is our only order of the year. This is that piece that you can put on right now when you get home to add a little floral flower power to your wardrobe, but you can wear all year long.
Absolutely.
It truly is. I love that you said it almost has that barn jacket silhouette
Yes.
because it is super flattering. I love where it lays on the body.
Yes. Did you give the lengths on
I did.
this? I'm sure
I
you
can
did.
give them an ad. Again, it's 23.5 inches to 29.5
Great.
inches.
Thank you so much. And this does have stretch to it, so it's not going to be restrictive. You'll be able to drive. You can reach the steering wheel in this, and this is customer requested.
Yeah.
So, you know, last year I always communicate requests to our team. We can't always do everything. We only get a certain number of items per month that we're designing into. So, you know, we can't always fulfill everybody's. But a lot of comments were made. Wear your denim jackets.
Right.
We had a denim jacket. You had a denim jacket from blah 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 years ago. It had this XYZ on it. Could you bring it back? We can't always bring back the same exact item, but what we can do is bring something similar that has the notion of a previous item, which you're seeing in a lot of our items in the show today, notions of things from the past.
Right.
And so here you go with this really sweet, beautiful denim jacket, customer requested, printed, and snap front. Just love it.
It's gorgeous. You've got also those snaps right on the sleeve, so if you want to zhuzh it up, show off the jewelry, this is the jacket for you. $74.98. Those 5 easy payments of $15. They're going away at the end of the show, which is getting here very quickly.
Yes.
We only have an hour left until the price goes up on this. It's item number A681255. Do not wait. Whether you want that dark indigo or the shadow pink, you decide and call 800-500-7590.